Hello, 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 everybody, and welcome back. We're looking now at question number 13 on our 2018 Grade 8 Gauss. Matteo and Sydney win a contest. Good for them. As his prize, Matteo wins $20 every hour for 1 week. As her prize, Sydney receives $400 every day for 1 week. What is the difference in the total amounts of money that they receive over the 1 week period? Okay, so we should probably figure out how much Matteo makes over the week and how much Sydney makes over the week and take the difference. Now, that's one way we can do the question. I will show you another way. But the main difficulty in this question, the main calculation that needs to be made, is Matteo's working every hour. Sorry, not working, but earning or receiving money or winning every hour. So we need to figure out sort of how many hours in a week. Okay, well, there's 7 days in a week. And there's 24 hours in a day. And if you do this calculation, you'll get that there's 168 hours in a week. This number actually comes up a lot, not just in contests. So knowing that there's 168 hours in a week is actually kind of a nice thing. So how much does Matteo get? Well, $20 per hour and 168 hours. So we can get 32 and then 16, so $33.60 in the week. That's how much Matteo gets. Okay, well, we know that Sydney gets $400 every day for 7 days in the week. So 400 times 7 will get 2,800. So now to take the difference, take the bigger one, how much Matteo gets, and subtract the smaller one, how much Sydney gets. So 0, 6, we have to borrow 1, so $560. Okay, and I think that was A. Let's just quickly double check. Yes, A, 560. Now that's not the only way we could do this. Okay, both calculations used the 7 days in a week, but one thing we could do is say, well, how much does Matteo earn in a day? Because we know how much Sydney earns in a day. Well, Matteo earns 24 hours in a day, $20 per hour, $480. That's how much Matteo gets in a day. Sydney gets $400 in a day. So each day, Matteo earns $80 more than Sydney. And now if we multiply that by 7, we can still get the 560. So this is just a different way of playing around with the question and the time scales involved. You don't actually need to figure out the total amount of money that each person gets. We could just figure out the daily difference instead. And so that's sort of an interesting alternate way to do the question. So that's it for question 13. I want to thank you guys for joining me. Feel free to like or subscribe or any of that fun stuff. And I will see you for question number 14 in the next video.